Chevy Suburban. Let's see what year we got here. This is '08. Door panel replacement, I'm going to tell you, or door panel removal. I'm going to show you what's wrong with it first. Door doesn't open from the inside. Took a look inside here, and the cable had broken off here. It fell down. So it was pulling just the end of the cable. So, yeah, where'd that cable go? Here's the other end that goes in, right there. There's cable down in there about an inch back. Broke off, no big deal. Let's get her fixed. This is how you take the door panel off. We'll start off with the lock. All right, it goes in here, right? There's this little black piece that clips in there. That's what holds this to your locking mechanism. Let's find that little black clip. There it is. Bada boom. So you take a little flathead. I got this skinny bent flathead. I love using it for all kinds of stuff. And pop it out of there while the lock's up. Once you pop this out, the lock comes up, just straight up off of this. See, without that clip, it just slides up and down. Step one. All right, in the door, we got one big screw. This panel does not come off unless you get it from the inside with these bolts. So we're not taking that off. Here's a little cover that fits in there. Take your little screwdriver, pop it out. It's just got little clips in the back. It pops right out, 10mm bolt there. All right, we got another little cover here. Right there, where'd it go? Right here, bada boom. This guy just pops right out. Just gotta get a screwdriver in and pop. Then you got two 10mm bolts that go in through there. This panel right here, grab it from this end with a little flathead and pop up, and then it pops off. Now we can take all our wiring off to get the door panel off. These only go in one way, so you don't have to mark them or anything from where they go. We've got this triangle piece here. Triangle piece, it just pops in with clips. One of them was already broken off. Somebody's taken this door off before. So if you want to be careful, get a screwdriver in there so it doesn't break these clips. Over time they can get fragile. Now you can see the door is like all the way off, right? You've got a pole on your door and you got these Christmas trees. You got these retaining clips all over. So if this door, sorry about the traffic, working on this one outside, still a little snow. All these retaining clips, if you break some, that's all right. You can get them from the auto parts store. So you got to get if it's on there really tight, you got to get a screwdriver, maybe put a rag around it so you don't scratch anything up if you care about scratching your paint. Get underneath there and pop. Pull it straight out. It'll be tough. This one came off super easy because somebody's taken this panel off before. Now what we're gonna do is order in the part we need. I didn't know what we needed. I didn't know if sometimes these break, the plastic breaks, sometimes the cable breaks, sometimes something comes loose at the locking mechanism or the door latch here. So what we're gonna do is replace this cable. We gotta order one in. I'm gonna show you how to get this cable off too. And we're gonna have to take out this insulation, get down to our door latch, replace the cable. Goes all the way down there. Or maybe you have to buy the whole latch. I haven't looked it up yet, but we should be able to just replace the cable. Now this cable has a ball on the end of it. The ball fits through this hole. So to get that out, you see these little clips, these little tangs here, they pop through. We try to hold steady. They pop through here. Bada boom. All right, so you gotta take your small flathead and squeeze these clips or small needle nose vice grips. Squeeze the clips, then this black thing comes out. You can spin it around and pull the ball straight up. And that's how you get the cable taken off. All right, so I'm gonna have to wait. It's a Sunday to get the part. Probably have to order it in. Might have to go to Rock Auto, eBay, dealership, junkyard, but we need a new cable for this door. So once we replace that cable, take the insulation out, figure out how it connects here, replace the cable, attach it back to the door handle, then we'll pop everything back together. Put our wiring harness back in, make sure our clips are lined up, and pop them in. Make sure that this has gone through the lock, so that then we can attach the lock. Put our triangle back in, put all our bolts in, and there we go. That pretty much explains it.